People often come to see Dubai's stunning artificial archipelago, shaped like a palm tree from the air. It is one of the world's largest man-made islands, created to expand Dubai's coastline and transform the city into a global hub for tourism and luxury living. To truly grasp the island's scale, you need to experience it from a high vantage point, such as the Aura Sky Infinity Pool, which offers a 360-degree view of the Dubai skyline, located near the base of the Palm Islands. The spot is perfect for capturing breathtaking photos. Welcome to my channel. I'll show you what to expect when visiting the highest infinity pool.
I'm Emily Liska, travel vlogger. Yeah, that's what I do. Sharing my adventures from a brand new point of view. I'll show you.
Sky Pool is situated on the 50th floor. Upon exiting the elevator, you'll be greeted and guided to your reserved seating. They provide a towel and a complimentary souvenir bag with a plastic pouch inside. On the same floor is a restaurant where you can enjoy a meal if you wish. For lunch, I chose tacos while enjoying the spectacular views. Their menu offers a variety of tasty options, and it is pretty good. Downstairs, you'll find lockers and bathrooms, as well as a boutique selling essentials like swimming suits, robes, hats, and shampoo, and so many other things, things that you might have forgotten. There are 4 sections of seating to choose from with different views. There's the city skyline, Burj Al Arab, the marina, or Palm Island. You can select your seat whether in the first, second, or third row, or in a cabana or a day bed. The seats closer to the edge are more expensive, with prices ranging from $250 to $1,600. However, you're free to wander and swim around. The experience is typically limited to 3 to 4 hour slot with options from morning to evening. There's 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., 3 p.m. to 7 p.m., or 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. Massages and yoga classes are also available. The seating facing the palm is the most popular. It is the most expensive and it seems to be the one that gets taken first. The Palm Jumeirah is where you can find luxury resorts. There are approximately 30 hotels and resorts. Such luxury resorts as the Atlantis the Palm and the 5 Palm Jumeirah Hotel. And of course, everyone is camera ready to capture those stunning shots. The construction of Palm Jumeirah was a remarkable engineering achievement, relying entirely on land reclamation using natural materials. No steel or concrete was used for the foundation. About 94 million cubic meters of sand, dredged from the Persian Gulf seabed, was used to create this marvel. Dubai truly offers unforgettable experiences. There's so much to explore in this vibrant country. Be sure to check out my other videos for more ideas on things to do. For now, thank you for watching. Happy travels to you.